so far so good. That's what the problem was, that pedal. And right over there, that bolt that goes into that silver part, you can see it's a bit crooked already, but that's where the problem is, and that's where it came off. Well, made it. So we're going to head over to Hardee's, have breakfast. Already had the shower. So we just got to cross this road here. It's all downhill, no use pedaling. Well, no JB Weld at Target, so I'm just going to go a little bit further up the street and see if I can find an auto supply store. They should have it in there. So off we go. 6 minutes, 4-6 hours. Okay, found an auto supply dealer just in behind Target, and I got some JB Weld. Now I've used this stuff before actually on steel and plastic, and seems to do a great job. So what I'm going to end up doing is right along here and here, I'm just going to put a bead of that stuff, oh shit, as well as over here. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. So look at this, fell off my bike. So there goes the screen. Not quite sure if the computer's still going to work, but yeah, you got one thing and then you got another problem. Well, we'll see what happens.